my goodness, again. Y'all, it was seriously coming down. It's like it's snowing. What? I love it, y'all. Look at that. Oh, we snapped off part of the uke. Oh no, part of my cover came off on my coop. Ooh, look at the accumulation on the ground over there just in front of the coop. Oh, it's happening again. Woo, look at that. I'm going in. Woo. Oh, they're all huddled in the back corn back over there. Y'all, if you go, oh my goodness, y'all. Go over there where the plastic is. Why are you staying there? Oh, it's freezing out here, y'all.